Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. So today we're going to be doing the my December Boxycharm box. Now I'm sorry I'm so late with this, but it's December is like halfway over. But you know, never, what does that say? I forget. Anyway, it'll probably come to me after the video's done. But anyway guys, so I am also so sorry I didn't post yesterday. I'm really I'm not too upset about it because I had a really fun day with my daughter, you know, Saturday. But I am doing pretty good otherwise with posting every day. I've taken off the last 2 Saturdays. That's pretty much it. But 6 days a week is pretty daily, right? Anyway, so today we're going to be getting into this Boxycharm box for December. Don't forget, it always comes with the price list of the retail price for the products. So I'll be showing you guys. This is going to be a really quick video. I like to do it with no makeup on just in case I want to try something on. And I love not wearing makeup sometimes, like let my skin breathe anyway. Alright guys, so I see a palette. Look at this little booklet thing. Alright, this one is the Storybook Cosmetics Fairy Tales Little Red Riding Hood palette. It's really cute. It's like, if you're into books, I'm into books, so this is super adorable. This one retails for retails for $35. This little tiny thing, $35. Mirror and all that. Oh, look at that. It says, someday you will be old enough to start reading fairy tales again. C.S. Lewis. Anyway, guys, look at that. Look how cute that is. Little mirror and whatnot. So, let's swatch that really quick for you. Because it's only 6 shadows. Let's swatch that. I don't really have a good red. Now that I think about it. I don't usually do reds, but I'm excited to try that one. Sorry, I have some stuff on my hands. So let's look at that. Let's look at that red. Ooh, see how pigmented it is. Can you guys see that? It comes out a little lighter, but you know, pack it on and it'll get red for you. Can you see that? Alright, so now let's do the Bad Wolf. This was like a metallic looking silverish. Ooh, look how pretty. Very pretty. Now let's do Basket. Obviously you can tell that this is all the things that Red Riding Hood had, you know, on her trip in the woods. Alright, so this is Basket. It's like a brownish right there. Very pretty for some things if you know. So we got the Peril. Hope I'm saying that correctly. This one is like the shimmery, pretty. I want to say, like, for me, it's like a pinkish, a darker pink. Ooh. But when it comes out, it's like a maroony. See that? Alright, now we're going to do the Journey one. This is a matte Journey. And then the Woods. It's not really the color of the woods, but it's like a tannish. Look at that one. Maybe something you can set your eyes with. Very cute. Alright, so remember, that retails for $35. Suggested retail price is $35. Alright guys, let's get this stuff off of me. Next item we have, what are we doing next? The Elemis Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. Small little, they give you like a full size, so that one is suggested retail for $79. Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. Very cute. Alright, so it says to massage 3 to 4 drops over the face and neck. If contact with eyes occurs, rinse thoroughly. So it's a couple drops, little dropper that comes with it, you know? Okay, so It says it's to help smooth the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Your girl don't have any wrinkles. So remember, that was for $79, okay? Next thing, so we're already over 100. Okay. The Marbled Light Illuminating Blusher. Okay, this one goes for $26. I'm not huge on blush. Alright guys, so here's that illuminating blusher. Let's look at the marble. That's cute. That's cute. Let's use my blush brush. Oh, Lord. Okay, everything's falling. Nope. Nope. Let's use a blush brush. Okay, a little angled brush. Let's see what that looks like. See what that looks like on me. It's not too much. It looks great. Looks very warm, if you can tell. I like it. So maybe I would definitely use this one. It's very warm to my skin. Warm to my skin tone. That's what I mean to say. So that one retails for, did we already say it? $26. I love when I get products that I actually use, and that's most of the time with Boxycharm. Alright. Okay, this is from Aesthetica Brush Cleanser and Conditioner. Oh, that's not the one. Brush Cleanser and Conditioner. Turmeric. Okay, so I definitely needed that. I don't know if you guys see my other video, but I do. Sorry that my cat is scratching at the door. I don't know if you guys see my other video, but I do use an electric brush spinning thing that I got off of Amazon. And this will be perfect to put in some of the water. Put in the water, just mix it in the solution. So this will be perfect for that. Okay, that one retails for $12. And then last but not least, we have our Brow Bar Brow Makeover Kit. Upside down. There it is. Look at that. Look at that. That one retails for $30. Now let's check this one out. Ooh, look at that. $30 for this is really cute. It's pretty small, but this will last you a long time. Ooh. Yeah, my daughter's in the room. Always looking at what I'm getting. Uh-oh. Thanks. So it comes with a tiny brush. You know, you definitely need those angled brushes to get those line-like, hair-like thin streaks. Oops, sorry. So this, yeah, okay, don't. Cute. Run that through the brush. The eyebrow. Very cute. A dark, a neutral, and to clean it up a little bit. So that works out well, doesn't it? Very cute, $30 retail. So we are well over, what are we at? Okay, so for the Storybook Cosmetic, for the palette it was $35. For the Collagen Rose Facial Oil, $79. The Illuminating Blusher, $26. For the Brush Cleaner and Conditioner, $12. And then for the Brow Bar, the Brow Makeover Kit, $30. So, what's that? So we're at $182, and I think that is a great deal for only spending $20 a month on this box. The sizes of the products are full-size products. Like, this is going to last you a long time. Look at the brush cleaner. This is going to last you forever. Not forever, but you know, a very long time. It's not tiny samples, so this is definitely well worth the $20 for the month. Alright guys, great box. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will leave the link down to a discounted Boxycharm box in my description. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit the notification bell so that you never miss an upload. I upload daily. Thanks guys. Bye.